Sign Guy here.
No, you're here.
B.
What is that up there?
They're talking to me.
Let's talk.
They're talking to me.
If you say so. Let's go.
Oh. March 24th.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this one first.
Okay. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. Let's go. Let's roll.
Soccer Zone. Menchaca and Slaughter Lane.
Yeah.
You and me. TCW. Sign Guy.
Sign Guy. You know, 24th at Soccer Zone, some people have been running their mouths. Some people have been bumping their gums. See, Lala, Ruthless Lala, everybody else, all the rest of the females in Texas may be scared of you. But you've been asking for this match for a long time. You've been bumping your mouth, talking about how you're going to put me out. How you're going to make me go back to the Stone Age. How I'm going to go hang out with Moses. Yeah, very funny. But that's okay. Because if I remember correctly, just because you walk around here looking like a female version of Ryan Johnston doesn't mean that you got to sit here and try to talk crap about me. But that's fine. Everybody else may be scared of you, but I'm not scared of you. And I got a tag team partner that ain't scared of you either. And then we got Total Pimp.
I like Total Pimp.
Or should I call him Total Loser? Because, see, this dude is the fakest pimp I've ever seen in my life. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but aren't pimps supposed to drive nice cars, have hot women, but you walk around with a snake? Really? Are we making up for things that we are lacking down low? Is that what it is? Ooh. See, it doesn't matter. Bring Total Pimp, bring Pimp Mama, bring Pimp C. It doesn't matter. All that matters is this. You show up at Soccer Zone, you show up in my ring, and I'm going to do what I do best. And that's kick the living hell out of both of you. I don't care if you're female or male. My pimp hand is strong. And the backhand is even stronger. So come March 24th, Soccer Zone. You will find out why. When I hit you with the lights out, that's exactly what it's going to be. Lights out. Biatch.